The STR has a thread that is specific to dimensional lumber, meaning that you have thread only in the last part of the assembly. A regular screw tends to have 2/3 of its length that has thread. You will see in the next demonstration the impact it will have. You will see here that the more conventional red screw cannot bring efficiently the pieces of wood together. If thread remains in a joint, the head just cannot pull together the assembly. With the STR, the assembly is completely set. To build beams or assemble posts, a conventional structural screw cannot really help. The STR is a specific thread. It's an assembly screw. It's made to bring pieces of wood together. All the pieces of wood between the last piece of the assembly and the head of the screw are going to get squeezed as if you were using a clamp. Simply remember this: if thread remains in a joint, it just won't be tight. Pwr Drive STR, the right length, the right thread distribution for the strongest dimensional lumber assemblies.